Okay, so this time we are going to look at circles. And for circles, you're definitely going to want your calculator because the area of a circle uses pi. And we talked about pi. Pi is 3.14. So to find the area of a circle, we take pi, so 3.14, times the radius squared, which means 3.14 times the radius times the radius, because radius squared means you have to multiply two of them. So the radius is halfway through the circle. So if you look at your notes on here, I gave you a little diagram. This is a radius, it's half. That's what the one we use in our formula. A diameter is double the radius. So we're going to look at some different examples with those. So we're going to look at this example first where it says the radius is equal to 3. So to find the area, the formula is pi r squared. So pi is 3.14. The radius is 3, so I'm going to multiply by 3 because r squared means I need two of those. So you're going to put in your calculator 3.14 times 3 times 3 equals, you get 28.26. That would be centimeters squared. Okay, so now we're going to look at this one down here. This one has the diameter. So in order to do this one, because our formula is pi r squared, we need the radius. This is the diameter, so we need to figure out what is half of this. We only want half. So we want to figure out 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So we know that the radius, the r, is 7.5. That's the number we want to use in our formula. So our area is going to be 3.14 times r, which is 7.5, times 7.5, r squared. So I go to my calculator, 3.14 times 7.5 times 7.5 equals, and I get 176.625. So 176.625 centimeters squared. All right, so let's move over here to our bottom two examples. If you look at this one, they give us the radius. So I don't have to change it because it's already the radius. So my formula is pi times the radius squared. So pi is 3.14 times my radius is 2.4 times 2.4 because it's radius squared, so you need two of those. On my calculator, 3.14 times 2.4 times 2.4 gives me 18. I'm going to estimate it, so I'm going to say 18.1 centimeters squared. Oops. All right, and our last example, got a little crazy with my pen. Our last example is right here. And notice this is the diameter again. So I need to know what the radius is. So if my diameter is 20, my radius is 10 centimeters. So then I can use my formula, pi r squared. So pi is 3.14 times my radius is 10 squared, means I have two of them. Go to my calculator, 3.14 times 10 times 10, I get 314 centimeters squared. Alright, so now go back to the assignment and answer the questions about circles.